In this video, we are going to show you how to sign up and set up Poppy AI. Now, you want to go to your browser and just Google Poppy AI, right? And for the most part, you're going to see the sponsored link. It's the same thing as the standard link. So click the the first option. It's going to bring you here. Once you're here, you want to click on this button over on your right hand side. It says Get Poppy AI. So click that. Now, Poppy AI is not free, so just just know that it's not free. You need a subscription. So as you can see here, contact information. So your name, your email, your phone number. You do need your phone number, and then choose the pricing option that you want. So $399 per year, $799 Poppy AI plus VIP dedicated support, and almost 1,000 grand, or $1,000 one-time payment, lifetime access, which is pretty cool to be honest. If you have a coupon code, just click on this and add your coupon code here, and then they're going to upsell you on something, as you can see, and then just click continue. It's pretty much a standard process of checking out and paying for stuff online, and then you're going to need verification through your email. Just do that. It's the same thing, and once you've logged in, you're going to be brought to this page right here. Right, this is going to be what you're going to be seeing for the first time. You won't be seeing anything here on all your boards because, again, yours is a fresh account. If you want to start creating, click here on your left-hand side. It says New Board. Click on that. Wait for it to load. All right. All right, so once you're here, you're practically ready to start. You can actually just change. They have pretty funny default names for each board. So just double click or just click on this, and then just delete it and just add your title, whatever title or board name you want, and you'll be good to go. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a free $25 off discount when you click on the link in the description we have provided below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.